How to track Best Buy order. In order to track your Best Buy order, what you need is open the Best Buy app onto your device, after which you just need to go ahead and tap open the order section, or you could also find it in the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you want to go to the purchase section. This is where you will be able to find your order. Now on the very page, you want to go ahead and select the specific order that you wish to track. You just want to make sure to go ahead and tap onto the order, and you just need to go ahead and select the status or onto the link, and this is where you will be able to see the status as shipped, preparing, processing, something like that. And if you don't want to go with this, you could also receive in the email confirmation, where you could find a link, and there as well you will be able to locate your status. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And if you're having any sort of issue, you might want to contact support. They will be able to help you out with your tracking or with your status. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.